This is what I make today: egg fried rice with ching prawns. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm making a special dish. A dish going with eggs. So I'll show you the ingredients I have for my dish today. On this plate here I have brown onion trimming, carrot, celery. I'm gonna make stock. On that plate I have ching prawns, brown onion, green chili, garlic cloves, jumbo cubes, spring onion, light eggs, mixed vegetable, basmati rice, sea salt, ground black pepper, extra virgin olive oil, dark soy sauce. Now I'm going to chop the brown onion, garlic, and green chili. I'm going to cut it diagonal, maybe into 2 or 3 pieces. Now I'm gonna chop my garlic. First I'll cross it with the knife, then chop it. Then after the garlic, I'll cut my green chili diagonal way. Okay, now I'll chop garlic. I'll add it on the brown onion. Now I'll cut my green chili. Now I'm gonna chop my spring onion. Now I'm gonna add olive oil here, just a little bit, to cook my chopped vegetables and mixed veg. Now I'll wait until it's hot, then I can cook my chopped vegetables with mixed veg, green chili. Now I'm going to add my prawns on the stock for about 5 minutes without cooking it. Now I'm going to add my chopped brown onion, garlic, green chili. Stir it. And add my mixed vegetables. Do the same. Stir. Now I'll leave it to cook before I add my seasoning for about 2-3 minutes. Now I'm gonna add my seasoning. First I'll put a little bit of sea salt. A little bit of ground black pepper. Then I put two jumbo chips. Then I'll stir it. Now I'm gonna boil my rice. Then I'll leave it to cook. Now I'm gonna fry my eggs. I'll do 3 at a time. Now I'll add my king prawns. You see, that's the color you have if you use stock. If you boil the stock and put it there, off it for 5 minutes, that's the color it's gonna give you. So I'm gonna add my king prawns. Then add my soya sauce. Not too much, just a little bit. Mix it. Then add my spring onion. Then add my rice. Mix it. Now I'm going to add my fried egg. Then mix it together. Now I'm going to dish my rice. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share the video with friends and family, subscribe, and please do not forget to click on the notification bell so if I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And you can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok.